Welcome back to another exciting video on our channel. Today we have something truly special to discuss, the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Samsung has been pushing the boundaries of foldable technology, and this upcoming flagship is expected to take it to a whole new level. Although the official release is still a few months away, we've got you covered with all the juicy leaks and rumors swirling around. So make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel because we're about to dive deep into everything you need to know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. Let's not waste any more time, let's get right into it. Release date and price. Brace yourselves, because this foldable beauty is set to make its grand entrance in late July. Samsung accidentally spilled the beans on its upcoming Unpacked event, hinting at the presence of multiple foldable phones including the Z Fold 5. While the exact date is still up for debate, rumors suggest a potential announcement on July 26th, with shipments starting on August 11th. This earlier launch aligns with reports of Samsung's advanced hinge production for the Z Fold 5. However, there's a slight twist as some leaks point to a separate global launch event on August 11th. As for the price, industry insiders hint at a starting price of $1,800, matching its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 4. Buckle up, folks, because the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the foldable phone arena. Design and display. Rumor has it that this foldable beauty will be available in an array of captivating colors, including beige, black, light blue, dark blue, and platinum. So you're sure to find one that suits your style. Speaking of style, leaked renders of the Z Fold 5 suggest that it might bear a striking resemblance to its predecessor, the Z Fold 4. However, don't let that fool you, because under the hood, some exciting changes could be in store. One notable upgrade is the introduction of a water drop-shaped hinge, enabling a completely flat fold and potentially reducing the crease size by 15%. Additionally, whispers suggest that the Z Fold 5 might boast water and dust resistance, potentially even rocking an IP58 certification. That would make it Samsung's first foldable device with such protection. In terms of dimensions, it's expected to be slightly thinner and lighter than its predecessor, weighing in at 254 grams. The main display is rumored to measure 7.6 inches and offer a brighter viewing experience with a 120 Hz refresh rate for both screens. Cameras and battery. Let's talk cameras and battery life on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to some sources, the Z Fold 5 might sport a familiar triple-lens rear camera setup with a 50 megapixels main sensor, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens, and a 10 megapixels telephoto lens. Now, this might sound similar to the camera configuration on the Z Fold 4, but hold on. There's a twist. Reports suggest that one or more of these sensors could be upgraded, potentially resulting in significant improvements in photo quality. Exciting stuff, right? But that's not all. There's buzz about an improved under-display camera for capturing stunning selfies and the possibility of shooting video in glorious 8K quality at 30 FPS. Now let's talk battery. While we don't have exact details on the battery size just yet, certification listings hint that Samsung might opt for a steady 25 watts charging speed. It's not the fastest in the market, but hey, it's all about balance, right? Specs and features. Early leaks indicate that this foldable beauty will likely be equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, the successor to the already impressive Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. This means we can expect some serious horsepower under the hood. But wait, there's more. Rumor has it that Samsung will exclusively use the slightly faster Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy chipset in the Fold 5. Talk about exclusivity. In terms of storage, the Fold 5 is said to offer three enticing options: 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, and a whopping 1 terabytes. That's plenty of space to store all your apps, games, and multimedia content. But that's not all the leak has in store for us. Get ready for 12 gigabytes of RAM, improved speakers, and even an enhanced vibration motor for that added immersive experience. And that concludes today's video, where we delve into all the exciting details surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. From its stunning design and potential color options to its improved hinge, display, camera, and performance, this foldable device promises to be an absolute game-changer. But now it's your turn to weigh in. Will you be joining the fold and getting your hands on this slick piece of tech? Let us know in the comments below. We're eager to hear your thoughts. And if you enjoyed this video and found it informative, please leave a like on your way out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on our future tech updates. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.